Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So just finished wrapping up the last brand of the month and we're hopping straight into the next brand of the month. So the brand for this month is going to be AOA Studio from shopmissa.com, or if you live in Texas, just Miss A, because y'all are lucky enough to actually have the storefronts. Congratulations. I wish I was back home. Sometimes. Calm down, Sarah. So I have this, okay, they gave me such a big box for, my order was a lot, but it's like, what, maybe a fourth of the way filled? I don't know, but I ordered a lot of stuff, but I didn't order things that I already have. Like, I did not order a foundation because I already have a foundation, but also their other type of foundation, they have not been in stock of it in my shade, so I can't get it anyways. I didn't order more face primers because I literally have like, I think 5 or 6 different face primers for them. I didn't order eye primers because I already have that. Some things I didn't order because I already have it, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys this haul, the products that I did order. So let's go. Okay, first thing I want to go ahead and get out of the way because they really don't have anything to do with brand of the month, because I'm not throwing skincare into brand of the month. So, and you know, I just want to get these out of the way. So right here I have 3 packs of their pure sanitizing wipes. I ordered actually 6, 3 for me and 3 for my mom. I already gave her 3, so I just have these 3 right here. I remember when the beginning of this Panasonic started, people were buying these up like crazy, and then they had to put a limit on how many wipes you could order from the website, and they actually recently took the limit off like a few weeks ago. So yeah, I guess you could go crazy. Then I got 2 of their reusable cotton pads. I got the bamboo ones and they're all black. I don't feel like opening this. And I also got their velvet ones, and these are white with a like a coral trim or something like that. I did open these and feel these. These are much softer than these, so I might be getting like a 20 pack of these at some point. Next, I have false lashes, baby. So I got the pair Terry. Y'all probably ain't gonna be seeing them well, but I got the pair Terry. I have Vanessa. I got Tracy. And I also got a new fresh pair of Jackie. I love the style of Jackie so much. I also have, these kind of just been sitting here. I have Jessica, Harper, and maybe another one somewhere, but I don't remember. Hey, you know what? I am so glad I bought these because they changed the style of Tracy. So I have their first pair of Tracy, and it's like they're more just like long and like wisped out. These right here of Tracy, it's like the edge is all like straight and wisped out, but then the closer you get to the inner corner of the lash, they're like crossed. So I don't know why they changed the style like that, because I did like this one. Well, I better keep these clean then. Next, I got their A+ makeup setting spray and primer spray. I haven't really ever used primer spray, so I'm kind of interested in this. I grabbed 2 of their finishing pressed powders. I got the shade Translucent, and I also got the shade Toffee. I also grabbed 2 of their pressed highlighters. I know people aren't really into highlighters like that, but look, I am still a lover of highlighters. So I got the shade Throne and the shade Gilded. I also grabbed 3 shades of their, what is this exactly called? AOA Studio Natural Finish Liquid Concealer. I don't think that's the exact name of it, but I got the shade Nude, Soft Tan, and Amber. Usually I have to like buy multiple shades to figure out which one works for me, and I think Soft Tan might work. Girl, I don't know. I also got a hand mirror. I literally don't need any more mirrors, so I don't know why I got this, but I got it. I'm gonna use it. It's cute. And I also got their stainless steel mixing palette 2-piece set. So it comes with the actual stainless steel thingy and the mixing spatula. I'm actually really excited to try those. So I got 6 lip products, but from 4 of their different lines, right? I only ordered 1 lipstick. So I bought their AOA Studio lipstick in the shade Pom Pom. No, in the shade Palm. I believe it's just a red. I also got their Lip Pop lip gloss in a clear gloss because why not? I also got their diamond lip gloss in the shade 24K. So it's just a gold. It would be nice if this could replace a certain lip gloss that I do have. And I also got 3 of their Wonder Matte lipsticks. I got the shade Crush, Venus, and Extra. I was like really excited to try lip products because, like, I'm not gonna lie, with LYS I was deprived of like lip products, and that's like one of my favorite parts of makeup. Next, I actually grabbed 3 of their buttercream gel liners and eyeshadows. So I got Red Velvet, which is red. I got Cupcake, which is this sparkly blue, and I got Sprinkles, which is this sparkly pink. I'm actually really excited for these. I really want to like try some fun stuff with my eyes. So once again, with LYS, I was deprived of like eye options. I mean, I did of course put on eyeshadow. Sometimes I did, sometimes I didn't. But it's like, I want to, let me try some new stuff. Also, I bought 1 blush, their cream sheer blush. This is in the shade Cupid. I do have other, I think I have 1 other blush from them, but I just want to get that one. And then I bought 2 of their Sculpt FX contour sticks. I bought the shade Latte and Spice. I'm glad I bought 2 different shades. I'm such a beginner when it comes to like contour sticks, so that's gonna be an interesting experience for me. Next, I grabbed their Fat Lash mascara and also the primer mascara. I do have other mascaras from them, but they're colored, so I had to get just like a regular black. Also, I have their Wonder liquid eyeliner right here, and I have their Artista liquid eyeliner pen, and they're both in the shade black. And then last but not least, I actually placed my order the day that they dropped these new products. So I got both of their new pigment eyeshadow palettes, or what do they call them? They're pigment palettes. I got both of them. So I got Color My World and Moonstone. So I'm gonna open these up real quick so we could just take like a little sneak peek. So this one right here is Color My World. It's so pretty. I haven't touched these yet, but I'm so excited to play with this. And this one right here is Moonstone. This one looks very interesting. I wonder how these definitely differ from their regular eyeshadow palettes, because I have 1 of their other eyeshadow palettes, which I bought a while ago, but I will be using it in brand of the month, so it is fine. But I definitely want to just show y'all what I picked up in preparation of brand of the month. So that is it for this video. If you like it, please give it a like. Also comment down below, what are you excited about seeing? I'm very excited about these eyeshadow palettes, or their pigment palettes right here, and also the buttercream stuff. And it's like, okay, I want to go ahead and test my waters in the contour stick department. I know I'm like how many years late with contour sticks. Look, I'm an oily person, and like anything that is powder, I'd rather go for that rather than anything that's a cream stick liquid thing. Okay, leave me alone. And if you are subscribed, please click that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. And if you are not subscribed, please do, because we're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.
No seu brilhinho.